Don't trade in the first 1 minute. Wait until pattern is completed. Pay attention to risk reward ratio. Do not trade stock with long wick. Draw support resistance line as a stop target for every trade. Maximum risk per trade is $20. Be careful the reverse double engulfing pattern. Going long, stock closes above support level. All majors moving averages below. Favorable risk to reward 1 to 3. Stock closes below resistance. All major moving averages are above, and risk to reward is 1 to 3 for showing short. Okay, so that's the trading rule. Watch loss Python, box, NIO, ABT, NIO, BLLI, Python, AAL. I think I'm going to change to CCL. Alright, 5 seconds before market open. Boom! I think I'll just go with CCL. Wow, NBT, NIO. I think Python is at all-time high and ABT is at all-time high. Python. Going long on AAL. Stop loss at 1337. Yep. 1337. I know it's not supposed to do that, but it's closing above the VWAP. Yep. Alright. AAL. NIO, let's see NIO. Huh. American Airlines still up. CCL. Alright, that's pretty good trade on AAL. ABT is going up higher. I think ABT 50 cents. ABT might pop. Yeah. A little bit too soon. A little bit too soon on ABT. A little bit too soon on ABT. A little bit too soon, I know. That's why I enter only small position on ABT. Only small position on ABT, and this is really not a good way to trade ABT. Come on. ABT might retrace. not too comfortable trading ABT. It's just a stupid move, right? I just get out. These are not trade that I really like to do. Stupid move on ABT. I'm really pissed out doing that. Billy. Billy might drop. Hmm. Wow, NIO. Shoot. Should have been shortened NIO. Python might drop. Python, should I go short on Python? The thing about Python is risk to reward is not really great, right? Where should I put my stop loss? My stop loss is gonna be somewhere in here. And this double reversing, double engulfing pattern, that's not really really not a good sign. CCL though, on the other hand. AAL, AAL, let's see, AAL, box, ABT. ABT should be short. Should be going short on ABT, but it's too late already. Should be going short in here. Okay. Alright, nothing, not too rush. CCL. Alright, CCL. Long on CCL. Stop loss at 1614. 1614, yeah. Alright, CCL, I'm still long on CCL. CCL, come on. Yep, yep. Come on, CCL 1637 coming. Yep, come on. Push it. CCL, come on. Ah, crappy. CCL. I should be more patient on CCL. Damn it. AAL. CCL should be in a really nice trade. I should probably just wait. I'm too nervous because I thought that my stop loss is in here, but actually my stop loss is in here, 1622. So I misjudged the size of my trade. Right, AAL 6071, 10 cents, 50 cents. I'm going long on AAL, see how it goes. Yeah. Doesn't seem to move AAL. BLI, CCL. Should I go another long on CCL? The thing on the CCL is on the 5 moving average is already way, too strong, right? So it's just bound to retrace. BLI. Probably should just go short on BLI. Maybe short on BLI. Maybe, I don't know. I'm going short on BILI. Stop loss at 4088. $44.88. So today 1.5%. We should trade more probably. There's a few things that I'm not quite BILI. Just probably should keep some of my size. Yeah. All right. So I think overall I did okay, and overall it's been a good day, right? 1.5%. So I can't really complain. The first trade that I took is AAL. So AAL has been up, I think around 5% when the market opened, right? So stock is strong, and it's just moving up above the VWAP. I know I have my rule here: do not trade in the first 1 minute, but sometimes you just can't go with a feeling. And the thing about AAL is the risk to reward is really excellent, right? And I think just by trading AAL, I made almost 1% of my account. So the risk to reward is excellent. So my risk is stopping below the VWAP, and my target is somewhere in the area of pre-market high, and an excellent trade, right? Excellent trade. So I go long, and then I quickly scalp. As you know, my trading style is scalping, and this is a really not necessary trade, right? I try to go long. My stop loss is in here, the pre-market high. I should have waited until the stock reached this target, this area, which eventually it did, right? It did reach this somewhere in this area. So again, I have to work on my patience, and I knew that I'm not. My style is just I do not. I'm really not a patient trader. That's my style. I apologize for that one. So that's my weaknesses. Same also with CCL. So CCL, I enter positions in here, and I thought my stop loss is in this area, but turns out that my stop loss is at this 1622. And how did I find this out? Is because I find out that my the size of the trade that I take is deciding your stop loss, right? So if you're risking let's say $20 for every trade, then you will adjust number of shares that you take accordingly. Now I misjudged the number of shares, so I thought that my stop loss is in here, but turns out I have almost twice the more than twice actually. It's 500 shares, more than twice, which brings my stop loss in this area, right? And then just quickly get out because I'm just freaked out. I took too much size on this, right? And I probably should have waited. Yeah, I should have waited on this one. Again, not a patient trader. So that's CCL. And another thing is, oh, CCL, I do not think I did anything wrong, right? It's just textbook trade. MBCD pattern, look at this, going, this is just perfect trade. If you're, doesn't matter where your stop loss is, right? Is it in here, 1622 or 1614? It doesn't matter. It's still a perfect trade. What I need to do is probably have more patience. Just wait until the stock continue go up. Another thing is BILI. So same thing with these. So I knew that the stock is going to drop. What happened is the stock is just bounced back from this 5 moving average. And this candle, this bearish engulfing candle, is really a short sign. And enter, and then quickly scalp. Again, I should have waited because my stop loss is at 44.88. I should have waited until it's just write the stock down. But again, that's not really my style. And yeah, today is 1.5%, and I think I'm pretty happy with it. Okay, my name is Michael, and Aegis.CMEG, and I'll see you tomorrow. Wow, yeah. Wow.